All right, guys, and welcome to this video. So today we'll be talking about the Sosovalue update. All right, so Sosovalue is about to begin their testnet. All right, so this testnet that we are talking about right here is quite different from the usual airdrop, which we are still gathering point, and it's also different from the epoch, which we are currently on the epoch tree. So this is a whole different thing, and of course a total of 1 million Sosovalue tokens are actually up for this. All right, so everything you need to do right now to be able to participate on it is very simple. All you have to do is simply watch the video to the end and pay close attention. And please, if you are coming across our channel for the first time, or if you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do it to subscribe to our channel. It literally means the whole world to us. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers. Okay, so right now, guys, without wasting time, guys, this is what we have right here. So the update actually came out about 20 hours ago, and right now they say right here that the wait is over. So Dex testnet is here, built for the 99%, backed by real demand. So what they are actually trying to do here is that they're actually trying to, bring out their own exchange. They are trying to launch their own exchange. So as a testnet, if you are lucky enough to join the people that are going to be testing this out, you are only going to be required to do some few things which I'm going to be mentioned right here on this video. So from here right now, you can see right what they say right here, that Sodex, which is the name of the exchange, supports on-chain order book trading for both spot and derivative market. So they actually give a lot of explanation right here, but what really matters is the reward for this, which is of course 1 million Soso tokens, and this is actually allocated for users who engage in trading, strategy, deployment, and bug reporting during this test phase. That's literally all about testnet. Okay, so right now, guys, we are going to be going in deeply. So what do you need to do before you can be able to participate on this testnet? What you need to do is, first of all, you need to fill out a form, and on that form there's a certain way that you need to fill it out. And also, if you are lucky enough to be chosen to be among the people that are going to be testing the people are going to be participating on the testnet, it means you are going to be among the people that are going to be getting sharing from the 1 million Soso token allocated. So what you need to do is simply click the link. I'll be leaving the link on the video description. Okay, so right now, guys, you go ahead and click on the link just like this. Okay, and over here right now, you can see this is where we're going to be joining the whitelist. And of course, there are some FAQ that we have right here, but the most important one is what you will do in the testnet. Literally all you're going to be doing in the testnet is how testnets are done, like connecting your wallets, adding the value chain. Value chain is actually the infrastructure behind Sosovalue. Okay, and of course, you are going to be asked to claim testnet, to claim test token from the faucet, and doing some transfer, trading, and of course submitting any bug via the report form, and of course climbing the leaderboard. That's literally all you are going to be doing on the testnet. But the testnet hasn't yet started. You need to apply for it first. Okay, so over here right now, you click on join whitelist right now. So once you are brought right here, what you need to do is very simple. Make sure that you're using the same email that you actually use while creating your Sosovalue account for the airdrop that we have been participating on. So right now, you go ahead and of course insert your email address. Okay, you input your email address right here. Okay, then you go ahead right here and of course input your Sosovalue username. While we were creating the Sosovalue account, when we were participating on the airdrop, we actually created a username, right? So let me show you something real quick. So over here right now, for you to be able to get your username, you need to put your phone on the landscape mode like this if you're using a mobile phone. So you are then going to be seeing this admin button right here. You click on it. Sorry, my bad. You click on this admin button like this, then you are going to be seeing your username right here. When you click on this place right now, in case your username is not showing, when you click on it, then you are going to be brought right here where you need to set up your username. So this is your username, then you have to copy that your username, then that is what you need to input right here. Okay, you need to input that your username right here. Sorry, let me put my email like this. Sorry. Okay, you need to input the username right here like this. Okay, so right now, guys, you are going to be asked to input your X account. So you put your X account in this method. You write at your Twitter handle. Okay, your Twitter handle like this. Sorry. Okay. Okay, then over here right now, you need to join the Telegram. Okay, you join the Telegram community, then you input your Telegram handle right here. All right, I believe you know how you can be able to get your Telegram handle. Okay, it's as empty as your Telegram username. So over here, you are going to be required to input your wallet address right here. Okay, you need to input your wallet address real quick. And after that, guys, you need to input your country of residence. This is just joining the wait list, and these are the the errors that you might encounter. Once you are done, you click on next. So you click on next right now, you're going to be taken to the next page, and of course over here you are going to be required to answer some few questions. Then, what is your most frequently used centralized exchange? Personally, I use Binance most often, so I will come over here to what is your most frequently used decentralized exchange. Uniswap. Yeah, Uniswap. I use Uniswap all over there. So over here, this one is do you prefer spot trading or future trading? We strongly recommend you to choose future trading, because they're actually trying to figure out your experience with trading. That's what they're trying to figure out. Everybody can do spot trading, but it's only the legends or the rare guys in the game that can engage in perpetual trading. So over here, this next one is, what is your estimated total trading volume in the crypto market? Personally, per year, every year, personally I think up to 10,000 plus, but if you trade less, then make sure to select less than $10,000. So over here, the last question is, on average, how often do you make a trade? I make about sometimes once a day. Okay, about once a day. It's okay. So I will go ahead and click on submit. And once you click on submit, then your response is going to be taken immediately. Okay, and once your response is taken, then you are now going to be waiting, because they are going to be contacting you through your email, so that you can be able to get yourself into the testnet when it actually becomes live. And once it becomes live, then if you're lucky enough, then you join. Then finally, you are going to be sharing from the reward pool of 1 million Sosovalue. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, and this is the latest update right now, and I will talk to you guys on the next update, which is going to be dropping very, very soon.